Source code for this application and the spiral drawing are attached in Lesson 2 of this Python course. See link in the description of this video. Comments in Python. This pound notation, at the beginning of the line, defines comments where you can write almost anything. These comments are not executed by the computer. They are only for humans to explain and remember what the code is doing. Pyplot is a drawing library where you can show charts and geometrical objects. Canvas is the plotting area where we will draw everything. We define the size of our canvas as 1000 * 1000 pixels. We defined here our first function. Functions are meant to eliminate duplicate code and to encapsulate and test functionalities. Use this function to get the value of canvas width. Get the height of the canvas. Get the radius of the circles that we will draw on the canvas. Prepare data for the line plot procedure. Draw a line between the 2 points that we received as parameters. Get the axes of the plot area. Create a circle with color yellow. Center of the circle is in the center of the plot area with the radius 75. Alpha parameter will create a transparency of 40%, so we can see all objects. Add the circle to the plot area. Create a circle with color red. Add the circle to the plot area. These are the 2 circles that animation will show gravitating around the center of the plot area. Define a border for our drawing. Get the x-coordinate of the center of the canvas. Get the y-coordinate of the center of the canvas. Create 2 points for each line. Draw a line between 2 points. Create 2 points for each line. Draw another line between 2 points. Create a circle with color blue. Add the circle to the plot area. Show the plot area to the user. Source code for this application and the spiral drawing are attached in Lesson 2 of this Python course. See link in the description of this video.